everyone, it's Jennifer here from Downtown Tactical, and we are running our rifle course this weekend. As you can see behind me, we've got a few students out on the range right now.
I am Aaron.
And Julie.
And we decided to take this course probably, well, it's been about a year ago. And we just want to be more competent and familiar with our weapons and just with our rifles to get training.
If that's where you have to get it for the angle, then do it up here. Because it maybe if you don't have the strength to come down the other way, you get it out in front and then pull it.
We've really enjoyed it so far, learned a lot. I know I have. And how about you?
Yeah, learned a lot so far. We started with was it the fighting pistol, tactical pistol?
We did
class?
that last year, yeah.
Yeah, we did that, and because I wanted something for everyday safety, protection, and if we're going to own those things, we want to know how to use them. And love it.
Yeah.
I love it. It's
Yeah,
Is it-
even in the rain, it's good. It's definitely
Even
worth
in the
it.
rain.
It's good to do hard things and push yourself.
I know me personally, for us together to be trained at the same level.
Yeah.
I've had some previous training and she hasn't had a whole lot. It's been a good, good
Bonding.
relationship building thing for us, and
Okay.
also for our family in the future,
Neat.
in case we do have to employ any of these skills, that we're on the same page and have gone through the same thing. So.
How about for you, Julie?
What's the original question? I think this is the first time that I've touched an AR, a rifle like this. And I have a pistol before, but I mean, I was hoping to get everything from basics to being able to confidently go out if I ever needed to use it and could use it effectively. And that's exactly what happened with taking the pistol class. That came into a real life scenario that I really had to use, and I wouldn't have known how to otherwise. So who knows, might be the same with the rifle.
Definitely both.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. Well, thank you guys so much for coming out. We've enjoyed having you as students.
Thanks.
You like coming
Thanks.
out?